Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Have you ever wondered how AI knows things? It's simpler than you think. Imagine you're a chef, and you want to teach your apprentice how to make the perfect burger. You show them millions of burgers, with different toppings and sauces, and they practice making their own. The more burgers they make, the better they get at spotting patterns and making predictions. It's similar for AI, it learns from huge amounts of data by looking at examples, just like your apprentice learns from making burgers. So, when we talk about training AI, it's like preparing the ingredients for that burger. You're setting up the environment so the AI can learn and make predictions. But when you use AI, it's like taking a bite of that burger, it's using what it's learned to make a decision or take an action. Now, you might be wondering why AI makes mistakes. The thing is, it's not because the AI is stupid or bad at math, it's because the data it was trained on might not have been accurate or complete. Think of it like a recipe that's been passed down through generations. Sometimes, things get lost in translation. But the good news is that the more data AI has to learn from, the smarter it gets. It's like having more ingredients in your kitchen, you can make a million different dishes with just a few simple ones. So, to sum it up, AI learns from huge amounts of data by looking at examples. Training is like preparing the ingredients for that burger, and using AI is like taking a bite. The more data AI has, the smarter it gets. Let's have a look at how AI is used in real life. Check out our next episode for more.